Olivia. I'm an ambassador here at the Science Space, and today I'm showing you something that you can do at home. So today we're going to be making a lava lamp, and what you need for this is some food dye, some water, a bottle to make the lava lamp in, some oil, a little something to pipette the food coloring into the bottle, and then some sort of fizzy aspirin or fizzy tablet to put in the water. So first off, get your bottle and then fill it maybe like halfway or so with water. Try not to spill it. Right, that should be enough. Oh, maybe a little more. Right, now I'm gonna do green because green is good, favorite color. And just a couple of drops into the water. Cool, that should be enough. And then you can just give it a little swirl just so it disperses in the water. A little bit more. And then you're going to pour your oil carefully over the top, about the same amount of oil as water.
Ooh, what's happening there? It looks a bit weird.
So, as you can see, the oil and the water aren't actually mixing, and that's because oil and water are different densities, and the oil will actually sit on top of the water and it won't mix. Ooh. And that's also got to do with the fact that oil is a lipid and water is like water, and they don't like each other, so they'll separate. So yeah, because the oil is less dense, it'll sit on top and they actually won't mix. So now we're going to take our fizzy tablet, and what's actually in this tablet is a mixture of aspirin, this one, but also bicarbonate, so like bicarb soda, baking soda, and citric acid. And in their solid form, they don't react together, but as soon as they hit water, they form a chemical reaction and create carbon dioxide. And as you'll see in a second,
oh, there they go.
it creates bubbles.
Can you hold that up for me?
Yes.
We can see it. Oh, that's so cool.
And the little bubbles will come up and you have your own lava lamp. Awesome, and you can try it with different colors, try it with different shaped bottles. Have fun. Thanks for watching, guys.